Hello, welcome to TechMaker. In this tutorial, we will learn to create cool parallax effect in PowerPoint. So let's get started. First, we need an image. Once the image is here, we have to adjust it as per our canvas. Do it carefully, otherwise we may not get the proper output. To add effect to our image, go to Format and choose the right contrast template. Now we have to add a rectangle for our transition. Adjust its shape to fit on our canvas. In case there is any border line, then remove it. Now place our image on the canvas and align our rectangle just below it. After this, get the suitable color for our rectangle from the image. Next, we have to add text box. Add text with appropriate size and place it on the image. Add another text box in the rectangle. Now it's time to add animations. For the first one, we need to group text from the image and complete rectangle. Go to Animations, click on More Motion Paths, choose the Up transition and click on OK. Hold the point and drag it upwards while pressing Shift key. And to make it more realistic, click on Image, then Animations and choose Up transition again. Right click on the second animation and click on Start with Previous. Now let's check the final output. Oops, there's a little white space at the bottom. No worries, adjust the rectangle and boom! We are done. In this way we can create parallax effect in PowerPoint. Check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe to TechMaker.